Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and there's a train coming at this other railroad crossing. Here, look. Train coming. Wait, bruh, stop! Stop! Look how fast those gates go down. Whoa! What is that for? Oh, here comes the train. Oh, two trains at a railroad crossing. It says railroad crossing 2 tracks, but that's Spanish. It has a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. They're really too lazy to put electric bells. Here they go up, and there's the thing where you can bend it. Do the lights just turn off like that? Literally in America, the lights turn off when the gates completely hit. Really? Did you see that the lights just turned off and the gates were still moving? That's really weird. We've never seen that before. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.